show out in New Jersey, and he dropped the cylinder of that thing. So, but he's like, I still want to run it. Yeah, you can definitely hear the obvious miss on that old V8. And right down to 21.87. 21.87. Steve Wild. What do you think, Ford fans? Can he do it? Let's see, Ryan Doubleman. He got a little air leaving the mud pit. Did you see that? Yeah, and he was accelerating all the way through the mud pit. What did I say? If he took a couple tenths of a second off, he'd be down in the 3-second range. I mean, I think that Ford just beat that Chevrolet. Do you think that was faster than the Chevy? Pretty good. Okay, you're feeling pretty good about it. Chevrolet out there at 4.47. Ryan Templebiss. Oh yeah, 3.94. Ford fans, the Union truck is running a dominant first place.